Good morning, children. Now, today let us start a new chapter, that is fraction, and I will be taking only the introduction part of this. Now, question number 1, give 3 examples each of the following types of fraction. So, we have to understand which are the types of fraction, or these are the new vocabulary which is connected to this chapter. One is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and unit fraction. Now let us take the examples. Now suppose we take the first one. This is question number 1, first part, proper fraction. Proper fraction. Second is improper fraction. Third is mixed fraction. Fourth is like fraction. Fifth is unlike fraction, and the last one is unit fraction. I know this is nothing new in this, but still we have to do the introduction part. If we have to do, we must know, or we must revise what we had been studying in class 5 and 4. Now proper fraction, I am writing examples. Say we have decided to write 3 examples. Say proper is 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 7 upon 19. These are proper fraction. Now if I write 4 upon 3, 8 upon 3, 19 upon 7, it becomes improper. If I write 1 whole 1 upon 3, 2 whole 1 upon 7, 3 whole 19 upon 20, these are mixed fraction. Like fraction, 1 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 9 upon 7, 15 upon 7, they are like fraction. 1, 3, 6, 9, 15, and if I have denominators, say 10, 11, 13, 7 and 6, they become the unlike fraction. Unit fraction में we have 1, say here 4, we have 5, here 7, here 10. These are unit fraction. Now we just have to observe. I have already written the examples. We just need to observe each one of them and find out what is the definition of each one of them. What is proper fraction? The proper fraction is a fraction where numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator, denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper is just the reverse. 4, numerator is bigger than the denominator. Numerator bigger than the denominator. Mixed fraction में we observe that 1 whole 1 upon 3 का मतलब है 1 and 1 by 3 more. 1 complete, 1 whole and 1 by 3 fraction more. That is called mixed fraction. So in mixed fraction we observe that we have a whole number part and the fraction part together. Now like fraction, you can observe that denominator in all the like fractions are same. Alright? Then unlike fraction, denominators are different in unlike fractions. And unit fraction, you can see there is 1 in the numerator if the group of. Now see, when we talk about these are 3 different category and these 3 are 3 different category. In what way they are different? If you write any type of any fraction at random, if you write say 17 upon 18, और आपको डिसाइड करना है whether it is proper or improper or mixed. कोई भी एक नंबर आपने लिखा and you have to decide whether it falls into which category. That means the type of fraction are either proper fraction or improper fraction or mixed fraction. These are the only 3 types of fraction. Now these are the words which we use in the fraction and how these are different. यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ एक नंबर लिखा और डिसाइड किया क्या वो इन तीनों में से कौन सी कैटेगरी है, and we know it is a proper fraction. और आप आराम से समझ सकते हो if you are see proper or improper. If you consider these to be your marks, तो 4 में से 1 marks, 8 में से 3 marks, 19 में से 7, और if you are giving say chocolate, 4 में से 1 चॉकलेट दिया, 8 आपके पास था, 3 चॉकलेट्स दे दिया, 19 में से 7 चॉकलेट्स दे दिया, केक दे दिया, 19 पीसेस के और 7 केक्स 7 पीसेस दे दिए. So this is proper, it is okay. But if you do 7 pieces and give 19 pieces, it becomes improper, right? If you have the exam is of 3 marks and if you get 8 marks, it becomes wrong. So if you choose these examples, then obviously you will understand that this is proper, but this becomes improper. 3 pieces में से 8 pieces नहीं possible है, right? That means इसके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं एक whole number part घुसा हुआ है, all right? Whole number part is inside this, and see so how do we convert this improper? अगर वो improper है, that means this needs to be made proper, right? और proper का मतलब है 8 और ये 3, ठीक है? 3 2s are 6 and you are left with 2. That means 2 complete and 2 by 3 more. This is, it is because it is improper, we will have to change it into proper, and that proper will be 2 whole 2 by 3, that you write in the mixed fraction. That means 2 तो complete, suppose आपने केक दिया तो केक में 2 तो पूरे के पूरे आपने दे दिए और तीसरे वाले केक में से आपने 3 टुकड़े किए और उसमें से 2 पीसेस दे दिया. Alright, now see, we can understand this in one more way. Suppose we have cake 1, 2 and 3 cake, and if you divide the cakes into 3 equal sized cakes, ठीक है? I have 3 pieces और हर एक के मैंने 1/3 पार्ट किए. So we are going to get say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So if I give you this, this and this, only this much is left out of 3. That means you are getting 8 out of 3. 8 by 3. इसका और भी अच्छे से क्लियर समझना है तो 8 by 3 का मतलब है 8 1 by 3. 8 pieces of 1 by 3. ये 1 by 3 है, एक पीस. ये 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 3 pieces तो इसी से हो गए. So that means ये 1 complete, 2 complete और 2 by 3 more. So let us understand the literal meaning of each fraction. So 8/3, it is an improper fraction. इसका मतलब है 1 by 3. कितने 1 by 3? 8 1 by 3. How many 1 by 3 pieces are there? 8 1 by 3. और इसका मतलब होता है 2 complete. This is 2 complete and 2 by 3 more. So this is practical understanding of the numbers. All right. So that means there are 3 types of fractions. It can be proper, it can be improper, and the mixed fraction. Now let us come to the 3 other names which we have, types which we have written, and this is like, unlike and unit fraction. इसमें क्या होता है, we cannot decide कि क्या ये like fraction है, we cannot decide. Alright, इसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं, I am writing the group of fractions और फिर मैं decide कर रही हूँ क्या ये पूरा group like fractions है. Yes, it is like fraction because denominator is same. क्या ये पूरा group unlike fraction है? Then we will say yes, they are unlike fraction because denominators in this group is different. In the same way, unit fraction. So you have understood the categories, the different categories. All right. Tomorrow we will try to understand, or in the next video I'll make you understand what is like fraction, what is the purpose or use of like fraction. So actually this video is meant for those who are unable to attend my Zoom classes, so they can at least, if they are not able to attend their online classes, they will get help through the video. So for them it is specially made for them. Otherwise the chapter is too simple. We have already done in class 4 and 5 it's just a repetition, but those who are unable to see or attend the online classes properly, they will get help through the video. Now, so this was question number 1 which we have completed. Now let us do question number 2, and which is representation on number line. Now we all know number line, how we make a number line. We have a line, alright. Now since this is a fraction, I am not going to write the negative part of it. Say 0, 1, 1. We have, it has to be equidistant, 2, and say 3. Alright. Now represent the following number on number line. Half. Half का मतलब है, half is a number which is a proper fraction. It is a number which is proper fraction, and proper fraction का मतलब है it is always between 0 and 1. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन हमेशा 0 से बड़ा होता है लेकिन 1 से छोटा होगा. दैट मीन्स वी नीड टू रिप्रेजेंट समवेयर on number line. If we want to represent this fraction, we will observe that it is going to lie between 0 and 1. Now 1 by 2. 1 by 2 का मतलब है हमने इस वाले पोर्शन में फोकस करना है, and we will have to divide it into 2 equal part, and 1 part and 2 part. और हमसे क्या बोला? It is 1 out of 2. So this is half. That means यहाँ से आप चले और यहाँ तक पहुँचे, this is half. Or you can give the name, say A, and you will write this point A represents half, 1 by 2. Now let us do 3 by 4. Again 3 by 4 is again a proper fraction, and we know that proper fraction should be between 0 and 1. So this was half. Now I am rubbing the same, and I will be using the same number line. Say this is 0, between 0 and 1. Now 3 by 4 का मतलब है we will divide this space into 4 equal parts. 4. Alright, 3 by 4 means we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. This has become half, and then it has to be equidistant. Now see, we start our journey from here. This is 1, first part, second part, and this is third part, and this becomes 3 upon 4. This point is 3 by 4, 0 to this point. Say we can give the name A. Now the next number is 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10, again you can observe that this is a proper fraction, and again this is going to lie between 0 and 1. So again I am using the same number line, 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, and now this time we have to divide this part into 10 equal parts. 10 equal part, this is 2 equal part. Now in each one of them I will have to make 5 equal parts. So 1, 2, आप देखो सिर्फ 1, 2, 3, 4 points आपने बनाए, and you are going to get 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the same way इसके 2 pieces और इसके 3 pieces. Now total we got 10 pieces, and we know 9 out of 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is your 9 by 10. I have given this question as homework, and this is the answer key of that homework. Now, so this is 9 upon 10. Now in the same way, 4 by 7, I am leaving it for you. You will have to divide it into 7 equal parts, or 4th part will be your this 4 by 7. Now let us rub this, and now our next part is E part. E part is 1 whole 3/8. इसका मतलब 1 तो कंप्लीट और 3/8 और 1 यहाँ से 1 तक तो हम पहुंच गए, लेकिन इसके बाद 3/8 और, ठीक है ना, दैट मीन्स इट इज बिटवीन 1 and 2. So this is the first thing which we have to understand. We start our journey from 0, we have reached 1 और 1 के बाद 3/8 more means 1 और 2 के बीच को हमें 8 parts में divide करना है. So this is 4 parts and then again half of each one of them becomes 8 part. Alright, so 1, 2 and 3. So this becomes your 3/8, 1 whole 3/8. This is 1 whole 3/8. So this is done. Now next is E. After that we have F. F is 2 whole 1/5. Now we have to understand that 2 whole 1/5 means it is between 2 and 3. 2 complete. If I rub this, 2 complete 1, then from we started our journey from 0 से लेके आप 2 तक पहुंचे और फिर 2 complete and 1/4 means again we will have to divide this 2 and 3 into 5 equal parts. So this is our 5 equal part and this is 1/5 more. So this is 2 whole 1/5. So this is how we have to do. Now 2 whole 1/6. Now suppose we have 2 whole 1/6 F, then we have G 2 whole 1/6. It means instead of 5 pieces we will have to convert it into 6 pieces, right? So we have 6 pieces, half, और हर एक में 3 parts और, so 2 whole 1/6 is this. 2 whole 1/6, right? And if we want 3 whole 5/6, it means it is GH is 3 whole 5/6 and it means it is between 3 and 4, right? Now suppose I change this 3, this is say 4, this is say 2 and this is 1. Obviously ये यहाँ से 0 इधर है, हाँ, and 3 whole 5/6 का मतलब है we have already divided it into 6 equal parts. This is 6 equal parts, 3, 4 and it means 3 whole का मतलब this till here and then 5/6 more means this is 3 whole 5/6. Alright, so this is represented. So we have done question number 2 even. Now next question is question number 3. Our last question, question number 3 is what are equivalent fraction? Now equivalent fraction. All right. Now suppose we have 3 cakes or say 4 cakes of equal size. If I divide this into 2 equal parts or 4 equal parts, here I am dividing it into 8 equal parts. I have divided this into 16 equal parts. This is 16 equal parts. It becomes more part will be difficult. Now if I do what is, suppose I give this piece, this much amount to somebody, then what is the portion fraction I have given? It is 1 out of 4. If I give this and this piece, then what portion I have given? It is 2 out of 8. If I had given 1, 2, 3 and 4, that means I had given 4 out of 16 pieces. And you can observe the amount of piece which you are getting in each one of them is 1/4. Right? This is the portion we are getting. And you can observe that all the three portions are equal, is 1/4. Alright, this was 4. If I made more number of pieces, I gave 4 pieces, more number of pieces given also. I had cut the cake into 8 pieces and I gave just 2 pieces. I cut the cake into 4 pieces, less number of pieces, and I gave just 1 piece. And you can see all of them are equal. And this is called, that means 1/4, 2/8,